Hello everyone and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add music to Google Slides from YouTube step by step. Adding music to your slides can make your presentations more engaging and professional. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open your Google Slides presentation. Go to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Video from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear where you can paste the YouTube link for the video you want to use. Simply copy the link of your chosen YouTube video and paste it into the search bar. Once you've done that, click on the video thumbnail and then press Select to insert it into your slide. Step 2. Once the video is on your slide, you can resize or move it to a corner so it doesn't block any important content. Now click on the video and you'll see a Format Options panel on the right-hand side. From here, you can choose whether the video should start playing automatically or if you want it to play only when you click it. Step 3. You can also adjust the start and end times for the video. For example, if you only want a specific portion of the music to play, set the exact times in the Start At and End At boxes. This is especially useful if you're working with a longer video and just need a short clip. Step 4. If you don't want the video to distract your audience, you can also mute the audio. This feature is handy when you're using the video as a visual aid, but don't need the sound. And that's how you add music to Google Slides using YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.